say the hello introduction and everything.
I'll have to cut this part.
Yeah,
Yo,
you do
what's up,
that.
everyone? Today we will be learning extra Python coding basics, and I will pass this on to my friend Ansh, who used to help me with the gaming videos. He will be here to explain you guys about the coding in Python.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about data types and I'm going to show you how to code in Python about data types and also how to change the data type while you're coding. Okay, so let's start. First, we'll create a variable. Let's keep this. Now, you can take it as, if you don't know, input. So I'll type int, which stands for integer, and input, int, input. So you type it like this, and then you can ask it for whatever. Let's ask a question. What is your favorite number? Now I've asked, what's your favorite number? Now I can change this and use it to make a code. So after we do this, we can take the meters, print, and you can use the f string. The beater's favorite number is, and let's take this. So in this code, what's happening is that you've asked the person who's using the code to enter a number, which is their favorite number. And then you're printing with the F statement, F statement, yes, that the beater's favorite number is whatever I entered. So let's say I enter 1. I enter 1. Then I'll say the beater's favorite number is 1. So this is how you can use data types when um, taking an input from the user. And there are many different types of this. So we have int, we have string, we have float, and that's pretty much it. Moving on to Rishi.
Integer, string, and floats are only three types of data types, whereas there's one more, which is Boolean. Like in Boolean, you can either write true or false. Passing on to Ansh again because he will explain you guys more.
So Boolean is true or false, as he explained. So if the statement's true, then it'll give true. If it's false, it's false. Float is when you're taking a decimal number. So let's say, what's your favorite decimal number? Then I can change this to float, and it will take the decimal number that I have given. Example. Okay, I'm going to give 6.7. And this is how it will be used. String is originally kept. So when you're taking input, it will always come as string. So if I entered a 1, then here it will be 1, but in a string format and not an integer format. Rishi?
All right. So this is what we would have covered today. And we'll see you guys next time in next Python session, which will be if, then, and else. See you guys.